Good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we'll complete our lesson. What are physical properties? Here, we will start. Melting point. Melting point and boiling point are physical properties. What is the melting point? Melting point is the temperature at which a solid changes to a liquid. Here you must know there is a difference between melting point and melting process. Melting point is the temperature at which a solid changes to a liquid, but melting process means when the matter changes from solid state to liquid state. Okay. Number two, the boiling point. The boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid boils or it changes to a gas. And in this point again, we must differentiate between the boiling point and the boiling process. The boiling process means when the liquid changes to a gas, but here the boiling point is the temperature. Okay. Magnetism, malleability, and electrical conductivity are also physical properties. Now we will talk about the other property. It's a chemical property. A chemical property is the ability or inability of a substance to combine with or change into one or more new substances. In chemical property here means what? Chemical property means when substance change to a new substance. Okay, this is called chemical property. A chemical property is a characteristics of matter that you observe as it reacts with or changes into a different substance. Now, you have a question here. Try to answer it and send your answer. How do chemical properties and the physical properties differ? Okay, write your answer and send it here. Flammability and the ability to rust are both chemical properties. So here, chemical properties means when the matter change to a new matter, when substance change to a new substance. Flammability is the ability of a type of matter to burn easily. Rust is a chemical property. Rust is a substance that forms when iron react with water and oxygen. Identifying matter using physical properties. Physical properties are useful for identifying known substances. When you identify matter using physical properties, consider how the properties are alike and how they are different. Here, identifying an unknown material by its physical properties. Physical properties we said like what? Color, mass, melting point, or density. We have here table salt, its color is white, sugar is white, baking soda white, unknown white. The mass, we have different masses. Melting point, we have different melting points. Density, we have different densities. Okay, so we can differentiate between materials by using physical properties. Now another question here, how are properties used to identify a substance? Sorting material using properties. Physical properties and chemical properties are useful for sorting material. Physical properties such as a material's melting point are useful for separating different types of matter that are mixed. Now this is the summary for our lesson. The movement of particles is different in a solid, liquid, and gas. Physical properties and the chemical properties are used to describe types of matter. Physical properties such as magnetism can be used to separate mixtures. Now we will answer some questions with us now. Number one, which of this refers to state of matter which a definite volume but not a definite shape? What's your answer now? Think. Yes, it's what? Liquid. Question number two. What is the amount of space a sample of matter occupies? A sample of matter occupies. Think. Now what's your answer? Yes, this is called volume. Now, solubility refers to one substance's ability to do what in the presence of another substance. What's your answer? Rust, burn, dissolve, change shape. Yes, dissolve. Now, boys, what do you think? Do you agree or disagree? Read this question and answer it and send your answer, okay? This our lesson today. Thank you for listening and goodbye.